Life with me, Gina Marie. In this video, I want to dedicate to my lovely mother, Dorothy. For her, my grandmother taught me everything I know about it. Take your thin pork chops and a couple of eggs. We're going to beat those eggs eventually here. And we're going to bread these pork chops and brown them in some canola oil before we bake them. So we're going to use our favorite seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, some egg, flour, salt, and pepper. Basically, we're going to bread these pork chops. They're nice and thin. So we're going to salt and pepper both sides and flour both sides. Try to shake some of the flour off if you can. And I like to lightly touch them in the breading. We used to double dip them, but these days we're trying to watch our carbs, so one dip's good, just as good. That's a picture after they come out of the fryer, but they still have to go into the oven. So what we want to have is a nice hot pan after they're breaded, the canola oil in there, and we just want to get them nice and golden. We're going to put them aside and throw some onion and a little bit of chicken broth just to layer the bottom of the pan with some salt and pepper. We're going to put our breaded fried pork chops back into the mixture after it's been cooking down a little bit. Probably about 15 minutes, really. Then we're going to put a lid on and have that oven hot at 375. They're going to go in for about a half an hour into the oven. I did this video real quick because I had company this evening. But there you go. They come out so beautiful and tender. My mother used to make them every year for our annual reunion. She'd make hundreds of them. I just made 5. She'd do them in a big pot in the oven after she fried them. Very little broth on the bottom, and see, it all absorbs and the flavors just kind of go right into the breaded pork chops. Strive to be happy. I love you, Mom.